So, ayan guys, bumili yung friend ko ng Redmi Pad SE 8.7 4G. Ayan, box natin guys. Okay. Tayo na lang taga-unbox, wala tayo pambili. Anyway, this is, how much this one?
700?
Yeah, 799.
800 na lang.
Yeah, this is 799. It's KD. And
Yeah,
also,
it's
she
so
have
cheap.
one. Ito guys, ayan, pwede ito dalhin sa airport eh. 30,000 mAh. Oh my god.
Ito
Ano?
kasi
Oo.
Ayan mo po may ano.
So, ayan guys. I-unbox daw natin ito. Anong nasa itsura nito. So, ito lang siya, no? Wala siyang ibang, ano, yung
Wala siyang
charger.
previous.
Really?
May charger rin sa loob.
Oh, yeah.
Wait.
I know, let's check it. Ano yan?
Return to me.
Sino yan?
Pag naman, tawagan nila yung cellphone number.
Ay! Teka guys, Ay, hindi ko siya mabuksan kasi walang ano.
Ito.
Ay, ayun na, okay na.
Okay na.
Ayan na guys, oh. I use my fingernail. So, insert the plastic. So, let's do this. Ayan. Oops. Charing. Oh. Hello, Redmi Pad. Say hi. Hi.
Lagyan natin ng peren.
And this is, oh, ito siya, oh. Yung laman niya, ito lang siya, guys. So, this is,
Ang cute ng lang.
meron ba? Tingnan mo nga yung iba.
Cellphone nila.
Hindi tulad ng cellphone na may mga, ano, gano, may nakalagay na iba. Meron!
Meron na.
Yeah. So, ito, guys, sabi niyo lang. So, ito muna. Unahin natin. Yung laman ng box, this one, the iPad, the pad, and this, and also,
For cable.
yeah.
What's
about
that?
Of course, the manual. Okay. I don't think she need this one.
Yes, of course.
Oh, yes, she said yes. And
Oh.
the pin. The
Nice.
pin here is here, but we have to put it back. Ayan siya guys. Okay, yung pin.
Wow, ang cute ng pin.
Wow. Parang may nakita na.
Sabihin mo dyan na may SIM card.
Okay, ibalik mo na yung pin. Balik mo. Para hindi siya mawala. Ibalik mo na lahat yan. So, yan yung so, yun yung ano niya guys, yung laman, yung ano niya.
Wala pala yung ano.
So,
ano ba yun? One year ano?
warranty.
Warranty.
Keep mo lang, yung resibo niya, lagay mo dito, oh.
Okay.